Welcome to the Lydian world, the blockchain game where you can earn, learn, and have fun. 2022, the world has changed, the internet changed, and the rise of the blockchain changed the entire industry and forced us to rethink. Blockchain gaming became the day-to-day opportunity to generate income. Some chase the mining, while others are doing the trading. The pursuit of our unlimited incoming resources has begun. Whatever it takes, leaving behind the unknown and embracing the new technology, the new era, the Lydian world. Here, the unlimited income resources are waiting to be claimed, but not without our engagement. We are the driving force of the Lydian world. We are the Lydians. The strategy is entirely in our hands, and we can choose which citizenship to get in order to build a future for our beloved ones. About mining or in need of a crypto-friendly credit card, a highly active trader who needs extra guidance, a developer who wants to promote his project, or a society-educated gamer who aims to make profits out of his own NFT shop and enjoys the time gaps with the Telegram trivia. You are connecting to the Lydian world incoming resources. Every single action of more than already 350,000 citizens is distributing rewards into Lydian world. Every time a card is swiped, every time an NFT transfer is completed, while you play, even while you sleep, Lydian world rewards you. It continues with a new vision, but do you know what marks the success? Perseverance, imagining the unimagined, and above all, possessing your own piece of virtual land to transform a grand idea into a grand reality. Pick a land. Press a button. Up you go. Behold your decentralized property, built to stand the test of time. Open your own business and share it with the others. From outwards to the city center area, until zone by zone, the city is taken over by its citizens. Multiple digital businesses rise alongside. A new era of luxury, shopping arcades, medical offices. Throw open their doors to an unlimited era, the blockchain. But something is missing. The design of your building is a way to define your own business, where you can approach your own digital architect. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. After all, with the power to create and trade, whoever holds the land NFT shapes the city forever. So, what is your vision?
Human fascination with gold is as old as recorded history. 1792, the United States Congress passed the Mint and Coinage Act that established a fixed price of gold in terms of US dollars. 15 August 1971, a number of attempts were made to salvage the gold standard. 2011, the foundation of the Gold Standard Banking AG, one of the most successful companies which specializes in the trade of minerals and precious metals worldwide. There's a global distribution network for industrial minerals and metals in more than 120 countries. 2020. GSB presents new cutting-edge products and services. Blockchain Gold Asset LBMA price connected, ready to be traded on a stable rate directly on our exchange. It is using the most advanced decentralized blockchain protocol, safe, cost-efficient, and fast. Digital G999 card, the safest way to secure your digital blockchain assets. Use our new digital card at the size of a credit card to pay the merchants. Gold point of sale. If you are a gold bullion dealer, this is the best way to increase your sales. Our community will trade digital gold to pick up it physically. You can directly exchange the tokens and transfer fiat into your bank account. GSB consists of GSB Gold, International Business Blockchain Platform, Universal Gold Merchant, and Gold Standard Digital Bank. We invite you to discover our products and services. You can pay using our decentralized blockchain solution, everything and everywhere. Register now. Find out more about GSB on our website, g999main.net.
All right. Good evening. Good morning. Good morning. How y'all doing today? We got a special show for you today, this morning, crypto morning. So today we're gonna start today. All right. We're not gonna go into crypto markets today. We'll do that tomorrow. We'll come back to that tomorrow. Not a big deal. All right. So you can go look at the previous video that we did yesterday because this stream here is not going to be a long stream because I do have another engagement I have to attend to. But we wanted to talk to you about where we left off at yesterday when we was talking about these metaverse certificates, because after the call yesterday, after this stream yesterday, something happened that it didn't happen before, so I didn't show it, right? But we're talking about compounding 4.15% weekly for 18 months. We're talking about compounding this, right? And we're going to show you, we got the graph, we got the numbers to all the certificates. So let's pull up these certificates. Let's look at them, right? So inside of Gold Standard Bank Partner, we have these certificates. They're called our Metaverse certificates, and this is Metaverse Portfolio. All right, now we have partnered with a brokerage firm called BD Swiss that been in existence for 12 years out of Europe. They're coming out of Europe, so they only deal with euros, and they trade stocks, they trade options, they trade ETFs. They have digital banking, they trade cryptocurrencies, they trade precious metals. All right, now they have come in and joined our metaverse Lydian world, and these are the products that this partnership, which they have brought. They have brought these certificates, and this how they work. So, yesterday we was looking at Apollo, but today we're going to go up one higher than that, and we're going to go to the 10,000 certificate, the Athena. All right, and we're going to look at the details on this, and we're going to show you from each certificate what you can get paid weekly and what you can make by compounding your weekly profits if you choose to do so. All right, we're going to show you that today in full. So right here, this Athena certificate is priced at $10,000, but it has a max load of $15,000. So $10,000 is the price that you need to get the certificate started. But what does this get you? When you get the $10,000, you get $10,000 worth of Lydian Lions. You get $10,000 worth of Lydian Lions, which is a non-liquid token in Lydian world that you can go and buy up countries and NFTs and some real estate with it as well. All right. Now, when you fully loaded with the 15,000, it's going to turn on off the 10,000. You're going to get 4.15% weekly. And it's going to unlock a $50,000 bonus. $50,000 bonus. And you will be able to open up and do meta mining. So once you do this, so your out of pocket that's not going anywhere, that you are putting up for the contract for this certificate is $25,000. Follow me closely. This is a deposit. Max load means deposit. This is a banking product. Y'all got to follow this, right? This is a banking product. Okay. Your out of pocket for this particular certificate is $25,000. All right. For 18 months, you're going to make 4.15% interest off the 10,000 that you can compound in the portfolio. From the portfolio, you're going to have $27,500 in the portfolio that pays 6% monthly, but you receive or can touch the profits, the rewards quarterly. Okay, so they just give you that. They also give you $18,750 to go and trade with in MetaTrade when that opens up. That's not open yet. Okay, then you get $18,750 for meta mining that you can mine and get APY of the Lydian Stater coin at 90% per year. 90%. You can get that. And your rewards is scheduled to pay out every 30 days. All right. Now, but we want to just deal with the meta portfolio side. I want to explain it in depth so you can understand how these numbers work. All right. So just focus on the 10,000 paying you 4.15% weekly that you can compound weekly, and the max load, which when you max the load is going to be $27,500, paying you 18% quarterly. All right. That's that certificate there. So in this account right here, we have an active Hermes certificate. Now, Hermes is 1,000 with a $1,000 load. All right. Now we have an active certificate. So you can see it says bonus. The bonus is over $1,171.69. All right. That's the bonus. Now you see the portfolio load say 104.15%. Now, why does it say that? Well, because yesterday this account received a payout of $41.50. $41.50. So they was given the option to do what? To either withdraw the $41.50, right, in a stable coin. They had the option to put it in meta mining to generate Lydian status, or they could compound it as you see at the bottom down here. Say compound, July the 25th, 2022, reward type compound, the amount, complete. So this went from 100% to and 4.15%, because this was added to the portfolio. And it also added to the initial price of the certificate. Y'all see this? So we got two things working here. Two things working here. That's paying out right now. And next reward, it say August the 1st. August the 1st. All right. Now, so y'all can see that this is legit. This is an active account that you see right here. Okay, but let's go to the chart and look at all those certificates and see what they pay out weekly and quarterly. Okay. So we're going to stop the screen share there, and we're going to go to the next slide, and we're going to go to the certificate breakdown all the way through with the compounding and everything. All right, with the compounding and everything. Let me try to make this bigger, so I want y'all to really see this. So this is the chart put together by one of the wealth builders, Mr. Mike Johnson. Thank you for that. We're going to give credit where credit is due. So we have the Art Med certificate, but it doesn't come with a bonus. So you see on the third line, there's no bonus there, right? And it's $250 to get it started, another $250 to max the load, and with that one, you can receive $3. Matter of fact, let's go up. We're going to go from the high to the low. Okay, we got the Zeus. So the Zeus is 1,000 and max load 200,000. So that's 300,000 working. That'll be from the person a contract for 18 months. Not that it's spent. Nobody spent anything, right? It's deposited. Okay, but the Zeus bonus unlocks $1.2 million. That's what it unlocked. Total out of pocket, $300,000. Off the 4.15% weekly, off the $100,000, you'll receive passive income at $4,150. Per month, you will receive 6% of the 200,000, which is 24,000. But you won't get the 24,000. You get that every quarter, but you get that times 3. You get 24,000 times 3. So that's like 72,000 every quarter, plus this roughly 16,000 every month. So that's like almost $90,000 per quarter total up. The contract runs for 18 months. So the metaverse reward total would be profit. This is on top of the 300,000 that hasn't went anywhere. An additional $323,700. That's just without compounding. That's just with the certificate, and you get your deposit money back. You get the deposit money back. Okay, now let's go to the next one. If you compound it every week, you compound it at 4,150, you will receive $1,888,441. Total reward would be over the 18 months, $2,207,171. Now that's the Zeus. Then we got the next one, 50,000. Max load 100,000. Max deposit 100,000. All right. The bonus is 600,000. The bonus is what they are giving you. They're giving us the bonus. The bonus is what they're giving us once we max the load. This is what they're giving us. Okay. The bonus is 600,000. A portion of that going to go to Meta portfolio. So out of pocket with this one, you're looking at 150,000, and you get your 100,000 back. The 50,000 was turned into 50,000 living lions. So ain't no money being spent. That's the key here. If y'all can understand that, if we could get you to see that you ain't spent anything, this is the way rich people get rich. This is the way the wealthy stay wealthy. They put all cash flow outside of expenses on the term. They put it on something that they can generate more money. They don't hold it. So this is this type of certificate. So this certificate here is for a person that's already rich. I sitting with a nice purse already. Weekly payout here is $2,075 per week. That's over $8,000 per month. All right. $12,000 per month, but paid out quarterly. So that's $36,000. That's $36,000. On top of the $8,000 a month. Look at the profit there. You feel me? That's for 18 months. The initial period of the certificate without compounding would generate an additional to the $150,000, $161,850. If they compound, it goes to $941,736. Total rewards would be $1.1 million. This is a person that's sitting on $150,000. In 18 months, they can flip that to $1.3 million. I mean, to $1.1 million. All right. Then we got this $25,000 certificate with a $35,000 max load. It unlocks a $150,000 bonus. So out of pocket, $60,000. Rewards weekly, $1,038. Portfolio, pay out monthly, but pay every quarterly, $3,750. From the initial price, $60,000, what they would generate over the 18 months without compounding, $80,925. Compounding, it adds an additional $294,292 over the period of the certificate. If they compound it all, they will receive $375,000 from a $60,000 initial put up out of pocket. $60,000 to $375,000. Now that's compounding. Without the compounding, they would generate an additional $80,000 and get the $35,000 deposit back. All right, they would get that back over the 18 months. The contract over with, your deposit money is released to you. Then we got our Athena, $10,000 with a $15,000 load, $50,000 bonus, $25,000 out of pocket, $415 per week, $1,350 per month, paid out quarterly. So you times that times 3. So for $25,000 out of pocket, it could generate an additional $32,370. Compound is an additional $105,994. Over the period with $25,000, you're looking at $138,000. Oh my goodness, y'all seeing this? Then we got Apollo, $5,000. Then a $5,000 load deposit that unlocks $22,000. So out of pocket, $10,000. Pay out weekly, $208. Quarterly, monthly, $630. Paid out quarter. That's times 3. That's over $1,800. So without doing anything, this $10,000 can generate interest of profits of over $16,000, and you get the load money back. All right. Then you have, if you compound it, $49,441 over the period. Total rewards would be over $65,000 with a $10,000 put up, and you get that half of that back. Then you got Aphrodite, $2,500, $10,000 max load, $2,500 max load, $10,000 bonus, $5,000 out of pocket, generates $104 a week, $900 quarterly. That'll be $18,000 on top of the $5,000. If you didn't compound as an additional $23,500 over the period. If you compound all your profits for 18 months, $31,600. Hermes, $1,000. Low unlocks $4,500 bonus, $2,000 out of pocket, $42 a week, just like I just showed you, $128 per month times 3. So that's over $300 quarterly. So on top of the $2,000, without compounding, you're looking at $3,200 profit. Compound additional $10,000 for the fullness of it. If you compound, they're looking at $13,243 off of $2,000. Like, who want to get rich with us in Gold Standard Partners, man? Let's go. Who want to get rich with us? Who want to get rich with us, right? All right, Ms. Wright, I apologize if it was blurry, but I was announcing it out. But we do have training to see this, though. So it's just like, it's about who want to get paid, who want to really get paid, who really want to flip some money, and this is what we're doing. So I know we got people saying, well, I don't have that type of money. I don't have that to get started. Don't worry about it. We're going to show you how to get it. So if you don't have this type of money to get started, then you need to come over here and build a business. You need to reach out to folks that might have the money then to get started, right? So we're going to show you what we got. Well, we're going to pull up our 9-level pay plan. We're going to pull up our 9-level pay plan so you can see exactly how this works. So look at it like this. We get paid 15% from sponsoring people off of all those certificates. 15% if you sponsor. So if you sell one of the certificates to somebody on your front line, you get 15%. So if you don't have the money, you can come on in with $33. I say $100. So you can run this system and run this business for at least 90 days without having to come out your pocket again. So we're going to say $100. You go and find some people that got $100 too, that don't have what you have. Say you find 3 who willing to go and find, no, we thinking bigger than that. Say you find 10 that got 100 that want to come in with this, and they willing to go and find 10. Just off $100, everybody coming in and just with the membership, no certificate, right? Everybody get 10. Well, well, we don't even want to do that. I don't even want to say that on the live stream. Okay, we're going to say 5. You get 5 and your 5 get 5. Okay, well, you looking at just off of that right there alone, you're looking at 13 million, 13.6. That ain't even concluding the certificates. You'll be able to get as many certificates as you want. So let's just break it down. Let's say 3 then. You come in with $100 that pay for your membership for 3 months. Then you go and find 3 people that'll pay for their membership for 3 months, and your team duplicate by 3. All right, your team duplicate by 3. What are you looking at? You're looking at $157,000 if you stretch your team out through the 9 levels. And this just off of everybody coming in with $100. Now what if they come in and they get that Hermes certificate? That'll be $2,000. That'll be $1,000 for the cost of the certificate. 2, 3 levels. So right now you're looking at everybody. You finding 3 people that got $1,100. All right, and they'll go find 3 people that got $1,100. Okay, now you're looking at an additional $1.5 million. Okay, then we get paid off the load. So you're looking for people that got about 2,100. Okay, we get 9% off the load. All right. So $90 go in the comp plan, same comp plan. You're looking at an additional $141,000. So don't tell us you don't got the money. Just tell us what you really not willing to do. Just say what you not willing to do. Don't say you don't have the money. All right. Just tell us what you are not willing to do, because we got the money laying right here, and we got proof, actual fact that the system pays out. Just like we're saying, it's a mathematical equation. So get with the person that shared this with you, or you can come in on this stream that you want, you ready to go, pick out the certificate you want, or you can text GS Bank. That's GS Bank to 833-549-2079. That is 833-549-2079, and you can come on in and you can get down with us. Gold Standard Bank is the leading in blockchain finance, decentralized finance, metaverse finance. We the first company, the first blockchain to have brokerage account, portfolio accounts that pays out weekly and quarterly in the world. We the first to do it. So get in before we have some copycats. You better get down with the real deal because this is real and it's here to stay. So we'll see y'all on the next stream. We out.